bring it up and set your tools on it. Gives you something to, as a platform to put tools on. And on this particular picture roof, this is what I would use it for the most. If I was on a pitch roof like this one to sit on, I would probably use this. But as the pitch gets steeper and your angle gets bigger, it would be nice to have something like this to sit on. But like I said, I like to use it for my tools. So we call it the pitch hopper, and it's pretty stable. You can stand on it, walk on it. Doesn't slide down the roof. Hold all your tools on it. Pretty good little product. Good little product. So I decided to buy a couple of them, and they seem to be working out okay. Of course, I haven't put it on anything steeper than this yet, so we'll find out how that works out later. But if you haven't gotten the pitch hopper yet, they run about $100 a piece. I'm not sure how long they'll last on a roof, but we'll see. The pitch hopper. Hey, Billy, stand on that thing. Yeah, that thing works. That's the other. That's one pitch. Flip it around and to the other side. I think that's more for this pitch. There you go. Look there. Pretty solid, right? Bill's a pretty big guy.
Yeah, 200 pounds.
Yeah, that's solid as hell. I like it. You like it? Feels solid, right?